All right, today we got our paddleboard. Now, this one was accessorized. That's the only reason I got it, because it came pretty much with everything, including traveling bag, the actual paddle itself, and extra accessories. So you have for repairing kit, for so you won't lose your actual your paddleboard, instructions, your fins, and a cover for your phone. So if you want to take your phone with you and you want to keep it waterproof, you can do that. Now, they give you a pump. This is a large pump that's going to take a lot of air in there. So ready?
Me?
Yeah. I see that water.